let's Unbound with one more video on the 11 plus exam guide. Today, I'm going to cover the topic of opposite meanings, which is included within the verbal section. So first, let us understand what type of questions are asked. The question is as follows. Choose the pair of words that are most opposite to each other, taking one word from each group of the three. The correct answer is one of the four choices available. Now the question reads, what we have to do here is there is one set of the bracket which gives three options and we have to choose the similar option with the relation given here from the other bracket. Now the relation says opposite. So we have to choose the opposite word of this bracket to the opposite words which is perfectly matching the second bracket. Now in the first bracket, we have three options: car, mobile, black. Then we have the question is most opposite to, and in the second bracket, we have the options door, bottle, and white. So let us check for each of the options. For the first word car, is there any opposite in the second bracket? Car is to door? No. Car is opposite of bottle? No. Or car is neither opposite of white. So we cross this word out. Now let's check for the second word mobile. We do not have any similar opposites to mobile as well in the second bracket. Like we don't have mobile is to door, or mobile is the opposite of bottle, or mobile is the opposite of white. So we cross even this word out. Now let us check for the third option, black. Black and the opposite word of black is white. So black is the most opposite to white, which fits perfectly correct. So the correct option that we can have here is black is most opposite of white. Hence, the option E is the correct answer. Okay, let us check on one more example. The three options in the first bracket is tea, big, and juice. And we have to choose which is the most appropriate opposite to each of these three words or either of these three words within the second bracket, which says small, t-shirt, and red. Let us check same way for each of the word. Tea. First, tea, does it have any opposite like tea, small, tea, t-shirt, or tea, red? No, this doesn't match. So we cross this word out. Let's check for the second option, big. Big is most opposite to small. Yes, this matches. Let us check for others. Big is opposite to t-shirt. No, or neither red. Now, same way, let us check for the third as well. Juice. Is juice opposite to small, t-shirt, or red? No. So we cross this out. And the most appropriate opposite of big is small. So the correct option here is option D, which says big is opposite to small. All right. So this is the option which you can choose, option E. Now, this I want you to try it on your own. The options that are given in the first bracket are far, early, and speed. And you have to find the most appropriate opposite from the second bracket, which is quick, late, or rare. Don't forget to put your answers in the comment section below. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.